Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. ABCD is a trapezoid. Let's draw the altitude BH from point B to the side AD and the altitude DF from point D to the side BC. Since angle ABC is equal to 120 degrees and angle CBH is equal to 90 degrees, angle ABH is equal to 30 degrees. Triangle ABH is a right triangle. The hypotenuse is equal to twice the length of the side across from the 30-degree angle. AB is equal to 2 times AH. Therefore, AH is equal to 7. We can find BH using the Pythagorean theorem. BH squared is equal to AB squared minus AH squared. Let's sub in the values. BH is equal to 7 square roots of 3. BH is equal to DF because they're both altitudes of the same trapezoid. Triangle CDF is an isosceles right triangle. Angles CDF and DCF are both equal to 45 degrees. CF is equal to DF and equal to 7 square roots of 3. We can find CD using the Pythagorean theorem. CD squared is equal to CF squared plus DF squared. Let's sub in the values. CD is equal to 7 square roots of 6. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.